So over here, you can see that I got teams right here. And if you want to access out the team settings, then you can click on the three dot icon right here and then go to manage teams. So once you do that, you see the members right here, as you can see. So you can go around and add in more members from over here. You can go around and start typing in name and add in more members as you want, just like that. You can go around onto channels and manage out the channels that you may have on the team right here. So by default, there's a general channel, as you can see right here. So you can go around, add in more channels over here as well. We're going to talk more about channels in upcoming videos. If you were to go to analytics, then you can see the activity of your teams right here. And if you were to go into apps, then you see what apps has been connected out to your particular team right here. You can go around onto tags right here as well, and then add in tags right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here and then go back right here onto the settings. So you can go around onto manage teams right here. Let me just go back. So if you have your own team right here, you can go around into manage teams, and then you'll see your members right here, and you can also go around and change the settings. For example, you can go around and change the picture of the team right here by clicking around, and you can go around and upload out your own picture over here as well. So let's say, for example, you can click around over here, and then you can go around onto, let's say, for example, a folder that you want and upload out your own team picture as well. You can go around, change the description. You can change the team to a private or public, and select around different artworks over here as well, just like this. So once you're happy with the team, you can go around and update it. And then what happens is that it updates out the team right here. So let me just go around back right here, and let me just go to the manage team option again. On the settings, you can see that you can add in a team picture, and you can also allow and disallow certain things to members. For example, you can allow members to create and update channels right here, and you can also enable guests to do something. Let's say, for example, you can allow guests to create or update channels. You can also work around with the at mentions. When you're mentioning someone, you can work around with that. And you can work around with team codes as well. You can enable and disable this. And you can work around with fun stuffs over here as well. For example, if you want to enable Jiffy and so forth, then you can go around, enable those as well. And you can also choose who can manage our tags and work around with the team expiration as well, as you can see. So you can go around to analytics right here as well, apps and tags. And this is the same as what would be there even if you're not the owner of the team. And that is how you can access and work around with team settings inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.